Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 02050? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Fire Stick device. You mostly get Fire Stick error code 02050 while streaming the BBC iPlayer app. To fix the issue, first restart the device. This should fix any minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. Unplug the device from power for a couple of minutes. Then plug it back in and power it on again. Now relaunch the app on which you are getting the error and check. Method 2. Clear the app cache. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app on which you are getting the error. We are selecting this app as an example. Then select Clear Cache and then Clear Data as per your system options. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 3. Check BBC iPlayer server status. The error could be due to temporary issues on the BBC iPlayer server side. You can check here for any reported outages or maintenance. If there is any server outage, report and wait for some time till the server is up and live again, and then check again. Method 4. Update the Fire Stick device. Update your Fire Stick to the latest version. This can resolve any bugs or compatibility issues that might be causing the error. To Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now check for updates on your Fire TV. After that, you can update your Fire TV to the latest version. Follow as shown. Once done, the issue might be resolved. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 6. Update the app. Ensure that the app on which you are having issues on Fire Stick is up to date. Update the app. You can open the Amazon App Store, search for the app and check for app updates. Install any update available. Method 7. Contact BBC iPlayer support. If the steps shown don't resolve the error, reach out to BBC iPlayer support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps. And there you have it, the ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 02050. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.